Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to create this look. This is guest wedding makeup look, and yeah, I'll show each and every step how I created this. So first I'll start with shaping and filling up my brows. Also I've done my skincare and starting directly with the makeup. The product I'm using here is from Miss Claire in the shade dark brown. It also has a spoolie at the other end, which is really helpful. So after doing my eyebrows, I'm going to start my eye makeup, and for that I am priming my eyes with this concealer from Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable 02. Now blending it nicely with a damp beauty blender. You can also use a concealer buffer brush if you want to. It's time to do eyeshadow, and today in this video I am using this palette from Beauty Glaze. This is a color board and it has a lot of colors in it. So I'm starting with pink color, and I am just putting it on my crease line and with a brush, which is a smudging brush from Pro Art, and now I'm blending it out with a fluffy brush. It's time to apply another color, and I'm using this flat brush to apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. The color shade is purple. As it is a cut crease look, I am applying concealer at the inner corner of my eyes and concealing this part, and will apply another colors on this area. After concealing my eyelids, I have two more colors to go with, and the first one is this color, and then I am going with yellow and applying it at the inner corner of my eyes. We'll do the same on the other eye. And here it is. It's time to apply eyeliner, and I'm giving this a winged look and not keeping it too thick because it will hide my eyeshadow. So keeping it a little thin and giving it a winged shape. After eyeliner, the next step is applying mascara, and I'm using this mascara from Swiss Beauty. Yes, I have stopped using the Maybelline waterproof mascara because waterproof mascara is just, it's difficult to get rid of them after the day. Now I will do my face makeup after my eyes, and starting with primer and using this Color Essence Gel Primer. It is just so good, and it applies really well. After applying primer, it's time to do color correction, and I'm using the palette from Inside and applying the green, orange, and to hide my hyperpigmentation and below my eyes, I am using the concealer in the palette, which is 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. After doing all the corrections, it's time to apply foundation, and I'm using here Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Ivory. Using this flat foundation brush to apply it on all over my face. Now applying the same foundation a little bit more on the areas where I think I need more coverage. So from the same Insights palette, I am using the contour shade to, for the contouring, and applying this with a flat brush from which I have done the color correction, right? And yeah, I'm applying it on the jawline, cheeks, on my forehead, and also will apply it on my nose. So after contour, it's time to do concealing, and here I'm using the same concealer which I used on my eyes to prime them up, which is Swiss Beauty in the shade Sand Sable 02. So I'm also kind of blending it out with my concealer buffer brush because I want it to be blended like really well, and it will also give a very natural look. So that is why I'm like blending my concealer and my contour like together. And now I'm applying some face powder from Maybelline only, which I generally use. So after all that, I'm going to apply some blush on my face, and with this fluffy brush from which I had applied face powder, I'm using this to apply my blush also. Also, I kind of like to blend the edges out with my damp beauty blender, because otherwise it sometimes like give a harsh line up after applying the blush. So to avoid that, it's good to blend it out a little bit with your beauty blender. So I also applied some eyeshadow and also applied kajal on my lower waterline. It's time to do lips, and I'm using here a lip liner in dark pink shade. Last step is applying highlighter, and here I'm using Swiss Beauty's highlighter. It's like in the shade of rose gold. So yes guys, here it completes the look. I really hope that you liked it, and yeah, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, comment and share. Also follow me on Instagram, the link is mentioned in the description box below. So yeah, I'll see you next time in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.